Muster home. Alright, ready? Ready for today? Alright, start. Again, is rest day for the perform and complete today. So the floor is all yours for this today, guys. Okay? Play around with everything. Okay, so we'll start the session today with your primer or your heavy front squats later. Okay? So we'll start with the butt flex. So we'll start with deadlift, one high arm high pull, and then one muscle clean, and then 2-pound power clean. Okay? So no dropping of barbells. Again, primer, meaning focus on your technique and form. Okay? So we'll have 4 sets here. Again, building to moderate weight again. Okay? If you're comfortable, then you can build. If you're not, still working on your technique and you stay live. Okay? Live technique overload. Good? Here. Okay, of course, down to our heavy front squats today. Okay? So every set will start with 1 hand squat lean and a 7 reps of front squat with jump up. So 3 seconds going down, fast up, and then reset. Okay? So build to moderate to heavy, but progress from your low to weeks heavier than what you've done. Alright? And then our finish our workout today. Again, we have 13-minute and reps. And rounds and reps in 30 minutes. Again, this is Cindy workout. 2 weeks from now, we'll be testing this Cindy workout, which is a 20-minute and reps. So today, we're just going to strategize one in how you're going to break the reps. We're going to rest and do movement between reps. So that's what you're going to do now. Okay? So nothing crazy. Planning good. Plan as we move forward. Alright? Good. Again, it's going to be pull-ups, push-ups, and air squats. But of course, not as a scaling options later before we start the effort. That's it. That's your workout. We'll have 3 blocks for you today. Any questions? Injuries? Sure.